The number 26, Clayton Carl. Off the rails, Food Rally Glass Doctor. Also sponsor. Will be our first one in. Now I don't have the age, but we obviously know they have to be 16 and under. Five, they're going to put that barrier in. Once again, Clayton Carl for number 26. The number 61, Austin Finfrock. Eastside Auto, his sponsor. And then Memphis Springer for the 38X. Tight quarters in some of these compact cars here for that person that's in the passenger seat. Now we're going to do them the same way here. They're going to start moving in a circle. Just keep moving. Get spread out. Spread yourselves out a little bit. 38X, spread out. Okay. Officials. I'm waiting for one over in the corner. Are we good? Okay. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1, go! Last one standing, takes it all. First experience for these guys. The first experience in a demolition derby. Not doing too bad. You can see the coaches in the side. The number 61 of Austin get a little coaching. Got to be a little quicker there, Austin. first out, he'll take third. So down to our final two youngsters here. They're doing a good job out there. Little tennis to their times, but... Oh, cat and mouse, cat and mouse. All right, come on, spread her out. Springer trying to do that cat and mouse game. Now he's going to try and take him forward. Trying to get him into the rail. There you go. Now, get him, get him. Tell him, Dad, there's no brakes in these cars. Just use the gas. Hey, Springer, don't worry about your car. We'll get it towed out. You don't have to drive it out. Trying to take advantage there of Austin Brinbrock in that 61. Oh, now he's back up. There you go. Back it all the way up. Get a lot of speed. All right. Now you're in the hang of it. Oh, doing some damage to that right front. If Finbrock doesn't get... Oh, and Finbrock calls it. There you go, ladies and gentlemen.